Hello everyone, my name is Nakash Ahmed and you are watching North 365 Academy. I hope you're all doing good. I'm back again with my new video for Microsoft Teams, and in this time I'm going to show you some new features which are features are very small, but they are really beneficial for meetings. And let's start how these features work. But to start, before starting, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed it yet, please go ahead and first subscribe to my channel. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start my video. So here am I on my Microsoft Teams desktop client, signed in as a global administrator, or you would say a teacher. Okay. So what I'm going to show you first is the meeting feature, which has recently been introduced. So I'm in a Teams here, class 1A. Okay. So in the team, I'm going to start the meet now feature. Okay. I'm going to join it as muted. Okay. Let's start the meeting. Okay, so here am I. I have started the meeting, but there is no one else right now. So let me request Megan here, who is also part of this team. Let me switch now to Megan. Hey, so you can see Megan got this. Where is it? Yeah, here's it. Okay, let me refresh it because there is something wrong with Microsoft Teams. It says we ran into a problem. So no worries, we can refresh it. Let's switch to the team so you can see the new channel meeting is here. Let me join it. Let's say allow. Okay, join now. So right now there are two people in the meeting, Megan herself and me as on the desktop client. Okay, so what I'm going to show you is, what if Megan tries to share her screen, like any PowerPoint file or anything. Let me open any PowerPoint or any file. So I have shared a file using the Megan's account. Okay, and it's loading. So it's a PowerPoint file, so because it's on Microsoft Teams web client, so it will take some time. So here you go, we have a nice slide here opened up as on the Microsoft Teams web client using the Megan's account. Okay, now she can switch it here and the screen shall be seen from my Teams client. Okay, so now here I'm seeing as a spectator. Okay, so you can see I'm in the Teams desktop client. Okay, I can also take control if I want to. Now the feature I wanted to show you is there in the more action section. You can see the focus. Okay, this is a new thing which actually focuses on the thing that has been shared already on the screen. Without focus it will be something like the visibility is far away, and you will also see the participant view in the bottom. Okay, let me switch off the focus. So you can see the participant list is again listed in the bottom, but when I switch it back again, the screen will be focused with the file that has been shared. So the attendees and the all the viewers would be able to understand the file more and will have the better view of the file that has been shared. Okay, one another feature is the full screen feature, which goes like this. So it will be a full screen for the file that is shared. So other than focus, the file that is shared by someone in the meeting, during the meeting, it will be full screened. Okay, let me switch off the full screen. Okay, so the second feature is also related to meetings. You can see it here. If I go click on the ellipsis button, you can see the meeting options. These are the same meeting options that you see when you create a team from the Teams client. Okay, and when you click on the meeting, it will open a another browser window, and you can set the settings for the meeting. Okay, but now what Microsoft has done is they have introduced the same set of features, same set of options inside the Teams in a meeting. Okay, so now during a meeting I can set these options, like who can bypass the lobby. I've already showed you all these settings in my previous video, so you can watch those. Who can bypass the lobby, allow always let caller bypass the lobby. Okay, announce when callers join or leave, who can present. Okay, allow attendees to unmute. This is also a very good feature that was requested by so many people. Okay, so we can check this mark to allow attendees to unmute themselves. Okay, let me turn it off and save it. Okay, so these were three features I wanted to show you for meeting. Now the next feature is, let me leave this meeting because we do not need it anymore. Let me leave it from here as well, from Megan's account. Okay, let me go back to my Teams desktop client and click here, and in the status for present status we have now a new status called appear offline. So this is also a recently updated feature option here. Previously it was not there. It was also requested by so many users in the user's voice. So now you can appear offline. Okay, so you would see in a while that I will be appearing offline here. You can see it's a small cross sign here, and it says offline. Although I'm not offline, but it apparently says that I'm offline. Okay, and I can switch it back to available whenever I want to. So this is a really good feature if you want to focus on some projects or some other work, and you don't want to be disturbed. You can simply turn it as offline so that no one can message you over team or no one can call you over Teams. Okay, so that was all on in this video. I will get back to you with another video very soon. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos. And if you have any comments, any suggestion, please drop a comment on below this video. Thank you so much.